everyone and a warm welcome. Daily I talk about various scam websites and legit websites as well. And today I'm here again with another scam website and I'll also explain overlazy.website reviews. So watch the video till end guys. So let us check out Overlazy website reviews and see if this website is workout for time and money or we should be careful from this website. There are so many people who are confused about the legitimacy of this website. So let's talk about Overlazy website reviews and its legitimacy or scam factors. According to our research and deep analysis, we found that the site has not been rated by any user yet, which is a bad sign and shows that the website is not legit. This is a scam. You should know that if a website trustworthiness rating is too low, then the website may be unsafe. And there are so many factors that shows or tells about the scam factors or legit websites. So let's talk about the website popularity. This website has no popularity in US as well. The site is ranked too low on millions of other websites. This is one of the major loopholes. And when it comes to the domain creation date, the domain name was created only 1 month ago. You should know that a domain name created only a few days or months ago may be suspicious to buy from. And guys, according to my opinion, I would not buy something from a website created less than 3 months ago or few days ago. So do not become a victim of cyberfish. There is a need to do more research and read unbiased reviews to get more information. However, this website uses a valid HTTPS connection, but the URL and domain name is not standard. Now let's take a look at the contact us information, because contact us information is one of the major factors that shows about a legitimacy of a website. So here you can see the official address is available on this website. The email address is also available and the contact number is also available. But I want to tell you that this address is a fake address. This address is a residential address, not a particular official address. So we can say that this website is a scam website. So I want to tell you that never go with such type of scam websites. Do more research and deep research to know whether the website is legit or not. And there is no social media presence available on this website or on many platforms. And when it comes to customer reviews, no reviews are available on this website as well and on the other social media platforms. So this shows that this website totally a scam. So guys, make a wise decision because your money is valuable. Hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, then please like and subscribe the channel and I'll get back to you with more scam alerts. Have a good day.